What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter von Panda here. This is no ordinary pen. In fact, this is a special pen that I just got tonight. It's actually kind of chrome. It's just like plastic. It's pretty inexpensive little rubber collar down here with little chrome peek-through grippies there. But what makes this special to me is that it says Northwestern Alumni right there in white on the side, little plastic clip. The whole pen actually feels pretty cheap. I mean, it's not like a heavy metal pen or anything like that. But I want to show you down here, these little grooves in the tip here are pretty important because you actually have to turn this to get the pen tip out. It's just a regular ballpoint pen, and it feels pretty comfortable, especially with this rubber collar right there, and it writes just fine. And if we go down here to the other end of this chrome pen, you can see those little ridges are replicated back here on the back, a little cheap clip, and we have a little what you call it, stylus nub here, so I could use this as a stylus on an iPad or a iPhone or some sort of digital device. But what's really important here and what I want to show you is that there's a button underneath this stylus bubble, and if I click it, this pen lights up, and that's what I thought was just incredible about it. In fact, in the darkened room, it looked totally sweet. Maybe I can kind of show you. Maybe just a little bit darker there, but pretty cool. Look at that. I dig that. It says Northwestern Alumni right there lit up. Use this thing at work. People are going to notice. Kind of cool advertising. Not sure who makes this pen, but obviously it's something that you can buy as a promotional item. Check it out. I will put a link to it in the description if I can find something as cool as this. Peter von Panda. Out.